Well, grain and livestock futures all in the green on Monday. Arlen Suderman is in with analysis. Well, Arlen, the push that we got in the grains, the pop, was it all technical in nature? Because I know we were pretty oversold in the soybean market.
Yeah, a lot of money flow issues. It's a holiday period when things tend to thin out. A lot of traders want to take extra time off with family and they want to square positions, particularly with geopolitical tensions picking up in the Black Sea region. The risk is always there in the background that we could see an impact on grain flow through the Black Sea as well as crude oil. And some traders covering their short positions just in case such a headline happens when they're off for the holiday, that providing a little bit of support.
The question is, can the grains build on this as we go into the end of the year, especially since we're under this light holiday volume?
Well, the job in the marketplace in times of surplus is lower prices to increase demand. So when prices go high, that tends to ration demand. We really can't afford to ration demand at this point. We still have stocks to work through, especially for corn and for wheat. Export demand is really good for corn. We'd like to sustain that so that we can get rid of some of the surplus. Same thing for wheat. Soybeans, we really don't know what our overall setup is yet until we hear from the EPA. That looks to be toward late January now at the earliest.
New highs for the move in the cattle market on Monday with a push from the bullish cattle on feed report. But can that market get up and fill those gap areas?
Technical trading has really been a significant factor, and we had trouble getting ahead of resistance today in this market. We pulled back last week on some of the technical selling that came in when we were unable to push through resistance, and so we started some liquidation. But we bounced back up there with that positive cattle on feed report coming in 40,000 placements, 40,000 less than anticipated, lowest on record. That certainly is illustrative of the tight supplies here we have. But we've got two separate markets we're trading. We got a beef market and we got a cattle market.
That's right. Thanks so much. That is Arlen Suderman with StoneX and Markets Now.